So Dutch Gold, so we got introduced to this opportunity in, I think, August of 2023. Typical process for us, we get a SIM in, a new opportunity, somebody reaches out to us. And throughout the process, we did a lot of research on the industry, the company, trying to understand a little bit better, what exactly they did, what makes them valuable, what differentiates them from other people in the marketplace. We do a lot in food. This business, even though it is a food business, is a little bit different than some that we typically focus on just from a business model standpoint. But a lot of similarities in terms of, it's founder-held business for over 80 years, great reputation in the marketplace, very highly renowned for just their quality and the products that they're supporting, great customer set. And so, for us initially, it was a lot of getting up to speed, trying to understand a lot of that nuance and really dive into the details there of what makes it an attractive business, an attractive category. What are some of the risks? What are some of the things that we need to pay attention to and learn a little bit more throughout the process? And so we first visited the company in December of 2023. Really, really impressed with their operations, really, really impressed with the team. Nancy Gamber and the whole Gamber family, they built a really great business. And that really shone through the team that they had built, the loyalty, just the tenure that just the employees had really goes a long way in just speaking to, I think, the position that they had developed. We came away very, very impressed. I think there were some things that we realized and the company realized that it was going to take a little bit of time to get through the process because selling your business is a lot of work. And so you have to figure out your financial reporting, you got to be able to produce a lot of information. They're a very lean team. They run a business very well. But selling your business and running your business are two different things. And so, really, we started to develop the relationship with them in late 2023. And throughout the course of 2024, had to really work hand in hand with them to get to a spot where we felt comfortable, having been able to get through the process, understand their business a little bit more, understand the financial profile, the team, the organizational structure, the different facets of the business, but also them, what does it mean to sell your business? It's a big transition for them. It's a big transition for their employees. And then there's all the legal, stuff that goes into it, the purchase agreement, the financing, all of the other work streams that take a lot of time. And so it was really over the course of 2024 where we were able to develop a really good relationship and a rapport with the team, work through our diligence process, which is financial underwriting, market study, all of the other, customary stuff that goes along with an acquisition. And so really it was it took a lot of time because there were some nuances with the business itself. There's basically 4 different operating entities that they didn't consolidate financials. They weren't necessarily neatly tied together. And so there was a lot of work that had to go into just basically piecing this whole puzzle together. And the acquisition took time because of all of those facets. But, over the course of, 2024, we were able to basically get the deal largely done. And then early 2025, we're able to consummate the transaction and finish it off. So that's a lot of history in a short nutshell.